छुट्टी भी छुट्टी पाई दी हड्डी लुट्टी, छुट्टी भी छुट्टी पाई दी हड्डी लुट्टी।
Looks like someone is on cloud nine.
अरे सैटरडे संडे मंडे तीन छुट्टियां। मुझे तो इतनी छुट्टियां बर्दाश्त ही नहीं हो रही।
Oh, hold your horses. Let me ask you, do you even know the importance of this holiday?
India's freedom has come to us with great difficulty. So the children of Satluj, Mississippi and Brahmaputra welcome you to celebrate it.
Tum tam de naal.
So let's start with a prayer to our country. Do remember not to clap after the prayer.
More than 200 years ago, India was ruled by the British. Indians worked hard, but they had very few rights. Many people were unhappy because they were treated unfairly.
Listen, everyone. You must obey our rules, pay heavy taxes, and do as we say.
साहब, हमने बहुत मेहनत की है. हमारे परिवार का खाना भी मुश्किल हो गया.
I don't care. Rules are rules.
We work day and night, but life keeps getting harder.
हम अपने देश के फैसले खुद क्यों नहीं ले सकते?
क्योंकि हमारा देश अभी आजाद नहीं हुआ है.
Will India ever be free?
That question lived in the hearts of millions of Indians.
Friends, we can't stay silent anymore. अब और नहीं, ये देश हमारा है.
India belongs to all of us. We deserve the right to rule our own country. हमारी भाषा अलग हो सकती है, हमारी संस्कृति अलग हो सकती है, पर हम सब भारतीय हैं.
But the British are so powerful. Can we really change anything? Every great journey begins with one brave step.
When millions stand together, no force can stop them.
Across the country, people from different religions, languages, and cultures join hands with one dream: freedom. भारत माता की
जय. वंदे मातरम. हमें आजादी चाहिए.
Look, it's Mahatma Gandhi.
My dear friend, we will not fight with weapons.
Then how we will win? क्या हम बिना लड़ाई के जीत सकते हैं?
With truth, courage, and non-violence. Violence may hurt people, but truth touches hearts.
Is being peaceful a sign of strength?
हाँ बेटा, सत्य और अहिंसा सबसे बड़ी ताकत है.
Inspired by Gandhi, thousands of Indians marched together, protested peacefully, and refused to give up. The journey was not easy. Many freedom fighters went to prison. Many sacrificed their comfort, their dreams, and even their lives so that future generation could live in a free India.
They gave up so much for people they would never even meet. कई लोगों ने जेल की सजा झेली और देश के लिए बलिदान दिया.
उनका सपना था एक खुशहाल और आजाद भारत. After years of courage, determination, and sacrifice, the dream finally came true. On 15 August 1947, India became independent. Jai Hind!
Our brave heroes fought to make our country free. Now let's see how kids use this country today.
Peace doesn't begin in battlefields or parliaments. It begins in classrooms, playgrounds, and in every kind heart.
I'm exhausted. School is so stressful.
Welcome home. How was school? terrible. The teacher gave us so much homework and we had to stand in line for assembly. It was too hot.
Really? That's the biggest problem today? Let me ask you something. When you woke up, were you safe?
Yes.
Did you eat your breakfast?
Yes.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
Did anyone stop you from speaking your language, singing your national anthem, celebrating your festivals, dreaming about becoming a doctor, artist, or an astronaut?
No.
Then you already have more than millions of children around the world dream of.
But what does this have to do with Independence Day?
Everything. When I was your age, my grandfather told me stories about life before independence. People couldn't simply gather and protest. Many were jailed for demanding freedom. Students joined marches. Families sacrificed comfort. Some never saw their loved ones again. They weren't fighting for a better internet. They were fighting for better India.
Wait, no internet? No YouTube? No online games? Then what did children do?
They actually played with each other, read books, climbed trees, talked to neighbors, and dreamt of a country where children could learn freely.
Our freedom fighters dreamed of an India where people could live in peace and harmony. While wars continue in some parts of the world, we have the power to make our homes, schools, and communities more peaceful. Tell me honestly, what do children fight about today?
Who gets the TV remote or one missing eraser? Suddenly it's a national crisis.
Bringing Nutella toast every single day in tiffin, or how can she get more fries than I do?
Who sits by the window in the bus? Sometimes we act as if losing the window seat is the end of the world.
Interesting. And to think, the previous generation fought so India could be free. I saw on news that children in some countries cannot go to school because of war. It made me wonder that children like us can really make a difference.
Of course you can. As the saying goes, every drop makes an ocean. Big changes begin with small actions.
Do you know what real patriotism looks like today? It isn't only waving the flag, it's what you do after the flag comes down.
Today, while we celebrate freedom, many children cannot go to school because of war. We can't change the whole world, but we can choose kindness. Peace begins with us. Maybe the best way to thank our freedom fighters is becoming good citizens.
The freedom fighters gave us a free India. Now it is our turn to protect our freedom with kindness, respect, responsibility, and unity.
We
may be young, but our choices matter. Don't just celebrate freedom, live in a way that deserves it.
अब कक्षा 1 के बच्चे एक कविता प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
इडली ढोकला दाल बाटी छोले भटूरे रसगुल्ले हर स्वाद में बसी खुशियाँ भारत माँ के रंग निराले
केसरिया पीता सखाता सफेद शांति का संदेश हरा रंग हरियाली लाता खुशियों से भरता परिवेश मिलकर सब हाथ बढ़ाए भारत को आगे ले जाए
सच बोलेंगे मेहनत करेंगे सबका हम सम्मान करेंगे पेड़ लगाएंगे जल बचाएंगे देश को सुंदर हम बनाएंगे भारत माँ की यही पुकार जय हिंद बार बार नन्हे हाथ बड़े सपने मिलकर सब आगे बढ़ेंगे प्यार प्यार और मेहनत से भारत का सर ऊंचा करेंगे जय हिंद Good morning, dear friends.
सुप्रभात, सत श्री अकाल.
Adab. Today we're celebrating India's birthday as a free nation. Well, not exactly her birthday. India is much older than all of us put together.
In fact, she's so old कि दादी की दादी भी कहती थी भारत तो बहुत पुराना है. India has been around forever. बिल्कुल. India is full of wonderful things. Snowy mountains, mighty rivers, colorful birds and roaring animals.
And people who speak so many languages that sometimes Google Translate भी confuse हो जाता है और कहता है बस करो भाई. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੋ ਜੇ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ? ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਪੁਰਾਣੀਆਂ ਕਹਾਣੀਆਂ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਸੁਣੋ.
आओ हुन असी भारत माता दी प्यारियां गल्लां ते चंगियां सलाहां सुनिए.
Hello everyone, we are the mighty Himalayas. We are the tallest members of India's family. People keep climbing us and we keep asking,
बेटा स्वेटर पहन लिया?
we have stood here protecting our country for thousands of years.
Whenever life feels difficult, stand tall like us. Be brave. Be honest. हिम्मत कभी मत हारना.
And remember, the view is always better from the top.
Wow!
No wonder they're called rock solid.
But wait, I hear someone coming. That's me. Namaste, bachcho. I am Ganga Maiya.
I travel through many states bringing water, food and life to millions.
I never stop flowing and neither should kindness.
Like me, you also have to keep moving, keep helping and keep smiling.
चलते रहो, अच्छा काम करते रहो.
Arey, did you hear that? Who made that funny sound?
सत श्री अकाल, आदाब, नमस्ते. I am the Gangetic River dolphin, India's national aquatic animal. My friends call me Tick Tick because of the sound that I make when I come up to breathe. I live in the fresh waters of the Ganga and Brahmaputra. I don't have great eyesight, but I still don't bump into anything. I use tiny clicking sounds to find my way through the water. It's like having my own built-in GPS. Sadly, my home is becoming polluted. Plastic, dirty water and waste makes it difficult for me to live. Dirty rivers make me sad. Please, नदियों में कूड़ा मत डालिए. Because when you save our rivers, you save life itself. Now who's making that giant whoosh whoosh sound? That would be me.
I am the great Indian Ocean. Every day I welcome ships from around the world.
I wave with my waves. Samajh aaya? That's an ocean joke.
Dream big like the endless sea
Explore, discover.
and always welcome new friends.
Speaking of courage, I think someone powerful is walking towards us. I am India's national animal, the Bengal tiger.
Chill pill, guys. I'm only pretending.
People sometimes think I'm king of this jungle.
Actually, I prefer being the guardian of the forest.
You think I am scary? Actually, I am scared about people cutting my forest.
Please protect my home. When forests are safe, India is stronger.
And hey guys, don't worry, मैंने अपना लंच खाया होया है. Phew, that's a relief. Now let's meet someone who's been standing quietly for hundreds of years.
I am a banyan tree. I have watched children play
Families laugh.
and travelers rest under my branches. I don't move anywhere, but I still meet lots of people.
Grow deep like me.
And spread your branches to help everyone.
Can you guess who I am?
I am India's heritage animal.
People think being strong means shouting loudly.
Oi hoy and all that.
Real strength is helping others.
Be gentle. Be patient.
Be kind.
Because the biggest hearts are always the strongest.
Wow! Did someone just open a rainbow? That's just me. I'm the peacock, India's national bird. People say I'm beautiful. Everyone wants a selfie with me. Every feather is different, yet together they make something wonderful.
That's just like India. Different languages, different clothes, different foods. पर दिल एक है.
Hello. Can you guess who I am? Sweet, juicy, summer superstar.
Alfonso the Sherry, Kesar Langara. I'm India's national fruit and loved by everyone.
जिसको भी आम पसंद है हाथ खड़े करो.
See, I told you, just like me, spread sweetness everywhere.
We have met India's mountains, rivers, fruits, and animals. But every country has symbols that tell its story.
Like the national emblem of India, inspired by the lion capital of Ashoka. 4 lions standing proudly together.
Actually, I can only see 3.
The 4th lion is standing at the back. And below it are 2 powerful words. Satyamev Jayate. It means truth always wins. So, whether we're in school, at home, or with our friends, always choose the truth.
Have you ever wondered why so many people proudly say Vande Mataram? These 2 words simply mean I bow to my mother, not just to our mothers, but to our motherland, Bharat Ma. Every time we say Vande Mataram, we are actually saying thank you, India.
Can you guess that one song that can make an entire stadium, a whole school, and even a nation stand up together? Yes, the moment we hear Jana Gana Man, our conversations stop, our heads lift high, and our hearts fill with pride. For just 52 seconds, millions of people become one voice.
Different languages, different traditions, one anthem, one India.
A place we proudly call home. Now it's your turn to make India proud.
To tell the truth, to care for nature, to help others, and to be kind. Because every small act of goodness makes our India brighter.
Vande Mataram! Jai Hind!
Years ago, India dreamt of freedom. Today, our children carry that same dream forward, shaping the India. We are now presenting India, a dream still growing.
Long before our voices sang, a dream of freedom softly sprang, a land where every child could grow with hearts that care and minds that know.
It traveled through each passing year, growing stronger, bright and clear. Now that dream belongs to all, both young and old, both great and small.
That precious dream is ours today to learn, to laugh, to sing and play. With grateful hearts, we proudly say, we love our India every day. Together, we will proudly stand for this beautiful, blessed land.
India's story grows anew with every dream we dare pursue. Each book we read, each question why helps our nation reach the sky.
Different languages, one embrace. Many cultures, one shared place. Together we laugh, together we stand. One loving, united land.
Let's plant more trees, let rivers shine, and treasure every gift divine. धरती माँ का मान बढ़ाएं, हरियाली से देश सजाएं.
When caring heart works hand in hand, hope blossoms all across the land. Nature smiles when we all care. Its beauty is ours to share. Some will teach, some create, some will heal and innovate. Every child has gifts to share, building India's future with love and care.
Small dreams grow big each day, lighting every hopeful way. Together we can clearly see the India we are meant to be.
Great nations grow in simple ways, through honest words and helpful days. सत्य प्रेम और सेवा से भारत होगा सबसे न्यारा. A smile, a truth, a helping hand. Together we make our nation grand. Little actions, day by day, lead our country on its way.
Our tricolor waves, bold and bright. Our tricolor waves, bold and bright, teaching courage, peace and right.
Kesari tells us to be brave. White shows peace we always save. Green reminds us earth to treasure. Love our land beyond all measure.
The Ashoka wheel keeps turning on, guiding us from dawn to dawn.
Though we may be young today, we will shape tomorrow come what may.
हम नन्हे कदम बढ़ाएंगे, भारत का नाम ऊंचा उठाएंगे. With hopeful hearts and spirits free, we'll build the India we're meant to see. Every promise starts today. Jai Hind, we'll proudly say.
Our dreams are many, our hearts are one. Together we shine like the morning sun. Freedom gave us the chance to dream. Hope gives us the courage to begin. Together with our three special gifts, hands to work, hearts to love, minds to think, we'll help India keep growing today, tomorrow, and always. Vande Mataram! Independence is not just something we celebrate, it is something we live through our choices and actions. Let us now explore the spirit of independence one letter at a time.
I for inspiration, inspiring millions to dream our freedom reminds us that nothing is impossible.
N stands for nation. Nurturing unity through many cultures and languages, our nation stands strong. D. Determination. Driving every challenge with courage and perseverance, determination builds a brighter India. E is for equality, encouraging fairness, respect, and opportunity. Equality is the heart of our democracy.
P. Patriotism. Protecting our country's values through kindness, honesty, and responsibility is true patriotism.
E is for education, empowering young minds with knowledge. Education shapes the future of our nation.
N. Nature, nourishing every living thing. Nature is a priceless gift we must cherish.
D. Diversity. Demonstrating the beauty of many traditions living together, diversity makes India unique.
E. Excellence, excelling through hard work, creativity, and determination, we honor our country's dreams.
N. New beginnings. Never stopping our journey of learning and growing. Every new day brings new possibilities.
C. Courage. Choosing what is right even when it is difficult is true courage.
Enabling every child to dream, achieve, and make a difference. Empowerment builds tomorrow's India.
These letters spell independence, a word that reminds us to inspire, nurture, drive, encourage, protect, empower, and celebrate all that makes India great. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!
दिल की आरज़ू
Dear Renu ma'am, we request you to come on stage and address the assembly.
Good morning, children. Good morning, parents, teachers, and everybody in the audience. I think this group has actually lit that fire of the independent spirit in us. And what a beautiful message you gave us. That what independence means for us today, for you today, for children today to take the country forward. Really well done. The dances, the diction, the way you spoke, the music, everything was wonderful. So let's hear it for them. And for everybody, yes, we've started that spirit of independence, the celebrations today. But when is Independence Day? 15th August, yes. And in school, we do have a flag hoisting ceremony. So anybody who wants to come at 9 a.m. on 15th August, you're welcome to come with your parents. We do hoist a flag here and we salute it. So, but you have to keep your own message in mind, that what independence means for you. And if you keep that, we are very satisfied that the country is going to be in really good hands of these young, smart kids. Well done, children. May I request everybody to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गीत जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय
And before we disperse, may I have all the educators up, please? And we need, please, all the teachers who've looked after these children, who've nurtured them, to put up this beautiful show. I think we need to give them a special round of applause. Well done. God bless you all. Well done, teachers, all of you. And thank you for coming this morning, parents. And thank you, children. And we are now going to go back to class and have a great day ahead. Thank you.